What'd you say?
Said you should have thought maybe we're gonna do an intro. I should have put some makeups on.
All right, good morning everybody. Good morning YouTube, family, friends. All right, so these are the biggest trees that we have on this job site. They're Lyland cypresses, and they're pretty tall and pretty thick. I'm probably gonna bomb this one. I'm gonna bomb a bunch of the limbs and then take off smaller pieces, just kind of leave them laying there. And this one I'm gonna have to be a little more careful with, because we don't want to break this dogwood any more than we have to, or we're not gonna break it, but you know what I mean. And then we're gonna have to rig down a bunch of these limbs and a bunch of the logs as well. And these Lyland cypresses, I think these are one of the bigger ones that I've seen before. I've seen some pretty big, but not this big, and especially not this tall. And the lifespan of these things are like about 25 years, and this thing's probably, I don't know, it's probably reached its max. But whenever we get to the bottom, whenever we cut it, we'll count the rings for you guys and we'll see how old it is. But like I said, it's probably reached its max, maybe about 20 years. I'm gonna guess 22 years, and we'll see whenever we cut that. We'll count those rings. We've also got a water oak back there in the corner of the house, and then we've got some in the garage that we got to cut down. Got a couple over here, but this is the meat and potatoes of the meal. So all right, yeah, I'm gonna set up everything. I'm gonna put all my gear on, get all rigging, everything set up, and then we'll bring you guys back for some of the action. I know that's what you guys want to see. You guys want to see the action, right? Yeah. All right, starting to head up the tree. And something about these Lyland cypresses, what I was gonna say is most of the time these things are only planted like close to the edge of the front lawn or close to the driveway or something. Let's say you have a gravel driveway, right? And you know how gravel makes a lot of dust go everywhere, and if you live right next to the road, well, your house is gonna get all dusty and all your personal belongings as well. Since they get so bushy, they stop whatever dust that would have been going all over your house, all over your stuff. It goes all over these trees instead. That's what people mainly use them for. So like I said, I don't know why they planted it so close to the house, but that's what we're here for, and I'm not complaining. Oh, my savior. Thank you. YouTube. So I was gonna go up and set up my line a little higher, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these out. So I've gotten a question about which little saw I prefer climbing with, and honestly, it's all the same to me. The reason I use the Echo a lot is because of the modified muffler, and I just like the way it sounds, and it kind of gives it a little more oomph. I like using the 201. I mean, I use it. I interchange them. I use the Echo and the 201. Clearing some of these smaller things out of my way, that way I can go up and down easier with my climbing line. Just the smaller stuff. The bigger stuff I'm gonna cut it, but whenever I have my climbing line set. So I tip tied this one. It's got a couple of heavy branches, so I tip tied it. I'm just gonna cut it right here, and it's just kind of float in the air. He's gonna pull it a little tight with the porta wrap. ¿Ya está? ¿Apretado? Yeah. Okay. All right. despacio. Espera, espera. Dale. Ahí está, cuidado, cuidado, cuidado. Okay. Alright, that didn't go quite as I expected. Yeah, I can see why. A lot of tip weight, a lot of limb weight. Okay. Good. Done. Thank you. Ahí está. Espera, agárralo, agárralo. Ahí está. Dale. Okay. Nice job. Okay, ahí va. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Okay. Nice job. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Take it out today. Búscalo.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Alright, finally got the top cleaned out of this one. Now all I gotta do is just start chunking down some smaller pieces. Should be straight to the point. That's pretty fun. And now, after I get down this one, that big one's gonna be next. Similar process, similar thing. I'm gonna tip tie a couple of these. Actually, maybe just one. And the rest of them, I'll lower them down on this bar right here, on this stem right here. See the stem? It's got two. The bigger one and this one. I'll put my climbing line in this one, put the rigging line in this one. Everything, all these limbs, out this way, out that way. Those logs, climb that one last, stop it, and boom. That easy. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Tell you what, guys, these West Coast saw 3-point dogs, they're the best thing that they've ever made. Genius. Okay, ahí va. Nice. Yeah, the bigger dogs dig into the bark a little better, and it gives you a little more control rather than having those little stock ones on there. I mean, they're good, they're okay, but the bigger ones are better, a lot better. Alright, guys, got the first one done and down. The stump we're probably gonna leave for last. We ain't gotta worry about it right now. Alright, so I've got everything set up. I set my friction saver up there. You can kind of see it from here, I think. Put a little block on this stem right here, and then I put a sling right here with a carabiner at the end. That way it's not just pulling everything down on this one, because this one's kind of weak, it kind of moves a lot. So I want some of that force, some of that pressure being put right here on this one. So this one's big and chunky, and I put it down here. That way it's not just pulling on the top, it's also pulling on this. So it's kind of pulling them together like that. So that's the setup, and that's what we'll go with for now. If it looks like it's not going to work out, well, then we'll change it up. Ahí va. Nice job. See, the reason I went out on those other ones to just kind of take the tip out, that way it wouldn't barbechair and land on top of the plants. Alright, so I've taken most of the lower limbs off of this one. I'm trying to do a flush cut on a bunch of these stubs, that way none of these limbs get stuck on them. There's a couple that I may have left, but I don't think it'll affect anything. Alright, so I'm going to tip tie this baby right here, that way we can pull it out. And I put a carabiner at the end of it just because this thing has so many limbs and I don't want to have to worry about tying a whole lot of knots, untying them, and well, anyways, a bunch of y'all know how it is. Okay, no lo suelto para nada, okay? Alright guys, here goes. There we go. Nice. Look at this. I'm doing crane pick cuts here. I mean, it has its usefulness here. It helps. Keeps it from going that way towards the roof, and it keeps it from coming this way towards me or towards the log, you know what I'm saying? I could have just cut straight through it, probably would have done the same thing, but you know, we're all about having fun. Whoa, snake skin.
Yeah.
Ronaldo, look, it's your favorite pet.
That makes you feel real good when you get out there.
There must be a lot of critters under those crawl spaces.
Yeah, he's got a lot of rats in there.
Ah, you love snakes?
We go way up in the mountains and catch rattlesnakes out of caves.
Oh wow. Just untie, and then from there you can kind of control it yourself. Nice. That's it. That's all. Thank you. Good job, bro. Good job. I'm gonna clear a bunch of these lower limbs on this one. I was gonna leave it, but if I clear it out some more, it'll give me a little more leverage on the other ones. That way we can lift them up and stuff. Alrighty guys, I think I got this cleaned up pretty well now, pretty good. I'm gonna, while I'm up here, I'll go ahead and tip tie this little guy right in front of me. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. This right here. Ready? This one, I think I'm just gonna do a little slice cut on this one. It's not gonna affect anything. Espera. Ok, a la cuenta de 3 lo sueltas, ok. 1, 2, 3, dale. Good. Very good. Nice. Give it my rope. Thank you. We'll do a half hitch here. Just run it over, run it behind it, boom, half hitch, and then we'll cinch it off right here. The rest off. Do a little climb, do a little handsaw here. Here we go. Ahí está. Buen trabajo. I had to hold that one myself. And the same thing here. There's a half hitch and then cinched it off right here. Go. That easy. That easy? Yep, that easy. Ok, ahí está, todo suyo. Ah, good, good. Very good. Ahí está. Good job. Ok, espera. Oh. Yes, you have. Oh, oh, okay, okay. Well, suéltalo. Ahí está. Nice. Good job. Suéltalo, suéltalo. Oh, ya está, ya se quedó. Ok, ahorita. Nice job. That's pretty slick. Dale, 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 ahí está, agárralo. Nice. Good job. Yeah, good job. Ok, pues. Pero ya está. Ya está. Listo. Nice job. Okay. Got it. Nice job. Good job, bro. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Está listo. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Nice. All right, guys, we're back on day 2. We didn't want to cut these things down yet the other day because they were there's a bunch of brush down here. We didn't want to do anything with that, so we're gonna drop that one this way, and now we're just gonna take off in pieces. So yeah, we'll get that continued today, and that should be it. We got everything cleaned up here. There's a lot of work here, right, Ronaldo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's a lot of trees on the back side. There's a couple over here on this side, but we got them, so we'll get it finished today. Okay, very good. Hinge would have got a little stuck right here. I see why. Kind of went up a little high. Went up a little high, and it kind of got stuck right here in this part. But all's well, ends well. It didn't hit the porch. It only took out a couple sides of this little plant, but that's fine. And there's a little rock wall there, but I don't think it hit it because it landed right on the dirt. So we're all good. All right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this very fun episode. This is a pretty fun climb. Pretty fun climb. It was in between this, kind of over the roof a little bit. Pretty fun. All right. See you guys next time. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. You know, they might think it's interesting as well. You know, don't be stingy. Let your friends see it. All right, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Ronaldo. Bye, Rube.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. Love you guys. Let's just start with the first ring and we'll see how many there are all the way up until out here. Because remember I told you guys that it's probably going to be 20, so let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 all the way out here. And if you're still watching, well then yay, thank you, and at least you remembered what I said in the beginning of the video about counting the rings at the end. But yeah, peace out, bye.